Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to share with you on how to connect your Facebook pixels on your Go High Level website. So if you're ready, let's begin. So go here on the event manager, and then on the event manager, connect data and select web, then click next. Let's type this one, Frederick Lake, then click continue. Then connect manually. I'll just have the pixels for now, and click next and click finish. Then let's look for the data source. Click Frederick Lake Estate, and then let's connect this to our website. Set up metapixels, and let's install it manually. Copy the code. Let's go to our GoHighLevel account. And then click Frederick Lake. Go to the website, site, go to the website sections, and click the website that you prefer. For this one, I prefer this one. I'll just check this one first. Yes, this is. So as you can see here, there's no pixels on this section. So there's no pixels here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click events. There's no events yet. So click settings, click copy and paste the meta pixels code here. Then click save. Pixels, continue. I'll just turn on automatic, then continue. And then let's try set this up. So copy the link again here, copy the URL, open, and then it will show like this one. So here you go. Let's test events. So this one, if I click this one, track new button, I'll say schedule initiated, I'll say leads. Okay, choose value on the page. Okay, there's no value yet. So this one is just schedule appointment. Okay, let's schedule. Okay, this one, and then track new code. If they say download, it's I'll say view content, no value. Okay. Okay. Download brochures, all the same, download brochures. And I think that is finished setup and then finished. I'll skip for now. Here we go. So now let's check if we have the pixels. And then you can see here the pixels is already here. And that's how easy to connect your Facebook pixels to your Go High Level account. Super easy. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and like and share this video. But anyway, my question to you is, when do we need Facebook pixels and how important Facebook pixels to our Facebook ads? On the next video, I'm going to share with you how to use the Facebook pixels to retarget our website visitors and to measure the number of visitors to our website. So see you on the next video.